250,000 pounds of steel, diesel, and pure force. The Caterpillar D11 doesn't just move Earth, it reshapes landscapes. But why would anyone build a bulldozer this massive? The answer starts with a problem no other machine could solve. Caterpillar built this giant to sit at the absolute top of its bulldozer lineup. It is the company's ultimate flagship, created because modern mining and massive earth-moving operations face challenges that would break standard construction gear. When you need to slice through mountains of rock day after day, ordinary equipment simply isn't big enough. That is where this machine earns its legendary reputation. Spanning 34.9 feet from the back of the tractor to the very front of the attached blade, this dozer exists for one reason: to tackle the jobs nothing else can. The physical presence of this machine is defined by sheer scale. It stands 13.4 feet tall, putting the operator's cabin level with the roof of a single-story home. Below, the tracks span 11.84 feet wide, claiming an entire highway lane. With 2.22 feet of ground clearance, it easily walks over large boulders. Depending on the setup, it weighs between 229,800 and 254,208 pounds, as much as 125 family cars. This immense footprint and weight are vital for pinning the tracks to the earth, providing the stability and traction to push immense loads. But moving a machine this big is a major logistical event, requiring crews to completely disassemble it just to transport it on public roads. Under the massive metal hood sits the heart of this machine, the Cat C32 Acer-T diesel engine. This colossal 12-cylinder power plant has a displacement of 32.1 liters, packing the muscle of 16 average car engines into one block. It churns out 850 net horsepower when pushing forward, but the real trick happens when it backs up. In reverse, the engine automatically boosts its output to 957 horsepower. This extra grunt is not for racing, but for sustained, heavy force to pull massive steel attachments through crushed rock. From the engine, this immense power flows through a heavy-duty transmission directly to the tracks, turning raw fuel into ground-shaking traction. In 1977, Caterpillar changed heavy machinery by introducing the D10, the first dozer featuring a raised drive sprocket that protected key gears from rocks and dirt. This design paved the way for the D11 family, starting in February 1986 with the rollout of the D11N. This new machine boasted a larger track and a 45 cubic yard blade to handle the heaviest mining duties. By the mid-1990s, the family upgraded to the D11R, introducing electronic operator controls for smoother handling. In 2008, the D11T arrived to meet modern emission standards. Today, the latest 07B and Carry Dozer models continue this history, focusing on faster maintenance and higher productivity, proving that this machine grew through progressive, step-by-step engineering over many decades. These giants spend their days in the brutal environments of open pit mines, rock quarries, and major infrastructure projects. Here, they tackle everything from carving out raw ore to shaping the land during mine reclamation. To handle these diverse jobs, operators select from 3 distinct blade designs: a flat straight blade for precision grading, a semi-U blade for general earth moving, and a deeply curved universal blade. For the biggest tasks, the specialized Carry Dozer configuration scoops up a towering pile and slides it across the ground in a single continuous pass. This constant work demands serious resources. A D11 gulps 20 to 25 gallons of diesel every hour, and pushing abrasive rock makes undercarriage wear the single highest ownership cost. High above the dust, operators stay safe inside a pressurized cabin protected by heavy rollover structures and impact-resistant glass. It is a grueling, high-stakes environment where operators and ground crews work around the clock to keep this machine productive. Caterpillar's research and development teams are actively preparing this heavy metal giant for a brand new industrial era. In 2024, the manufacturer launched a 3-year demonstration project to test a hydrogen hybrid powertrain, proving that clean power can still pack a massive punch. By March 2025, official lab reports confirmed active testing of hydrogen combustion prototypes aimed at low-carbon operations. The next major leap is scheduled for the 2026 Consumer Electronics Show, where Caterpillar will spotlight advanced artificial intelligence and high-tech remote control systems that let operators steer these giants from miles away. While these green and autonomous technologies are officially on the horizon, future D11 updates will likely prioritize smarter satellite connectivity and automated operator assist systems. The ultimate goal is simple: keep the legendary crushing power of this massive earth mover while dramatically cutting its environmental footprint and daily running costs. As we build the future, this mechanical titan remains irreplaceable. It is the ultimate monument to human ambition. Would you drive one? Let us know below.